In the silence of the night, I hear your call, a whisper in the wind, through the endless fall. We started in the shadows, where the light was thin, but every step we took brought the warmth within. Through the valleys low and the mountains high, our love was the compass under the endless sky. And though the road is long and the nights are cold, your hand in mine makes the journey